Okay, here we're going to program our Viron Connect 10 pool and spa controller to operate our chlorinator, filter pump and Genesis gas heater combo. So from our home screen we'll press the menu. Now you'll see our icons which are available. We need to go to our setup icon. From here you will see that we have two blue arrows, which means that we have another page available. We need to scroll over, press our installation setup. So factory default passcode for here is always 1234, and press that and done. Now what we have here is our setup summary page, which will appear at the beginning and end of our programming. So here today we have just a generic filter pump and no lighting zones in use as programmed, so we want to change that today. So you will need to use the setup wizard when programming a new system. Later on, if you need to make adjustments, you can then jump to a section to do those. So for today we're going to press setup wizard. Today we have no lighting zones installed, so that will be set to 0. Next, how many channels in the system? For here we have 8 channels available for programming, so we will leave that at 8. Press next. Is a Genesis heater installed? Today we do have an AstralPool Genesis heater installed on site, so we'll be saying yes to that. Press next. Mode of solar control. Today we don't have any solar control that we need to install here, so we'll be pressing none. Press next. Use separate pool and spa modes. So these controls 2 valves, your inlet and outlet valves. We don't have any on site today, so we'll be pressing no. And press next. Select this channel's function. So now we're setting up our channels 1 through to 8. So here today we have the selection of unused or pool equipment. We will be choosing pool equipment and pressing next. On this first channel we have our filter pump, which is in effect our chlorinator with filter pump connected underneath, so we'll be leaving it at filter pump. Press next. Is this a variable speed pump? Yes it is. We actually have our Viron P320 connected into our equilibrium chlorinator and then all operated via data cable, so we can control our speeds. We press yes and next. Allow timers of this channel. We are allowing timers. Our Connect 10 will be controlling our entire system with our chlorinator left in the manually on position. Timers for this will be set to yes. Use AI mode in this system? Yes we are. As I've previously said, we are using our Viron equilibrium chlorinator and accessing our chlorination via data cable, so we'll be saying yes. Now select this channel system. So today we're only running a chlorinator, filter pump and gas heater combo, so no other products will be used on any of the channels. We simply press unused for channel 2, unused for channel 3 and then repeat that process through to channel 8. After channel 8 it will ask us for minimum heat on speed for the filter pump. We'll be leaving that at high. Now our valve allocation. We don't have any other valves on this system today, so for valve 1 we'll be pressing unused. Valve 2 will also be unused today. Is heat demand required? No, we don't require heat demand for today. We press next. Are customizable switches required? We're not hooking our system up to a C-bus system, so no. Are we displaying our water chemistry? Yes we are. We are using a Viron equilibrium chlorinator and we do want to view our pH and ORP levels. And now we're back to our main screen and we can now operate our pool products.